Allegations of irregularities in the proposed sale of old asbestos sheets and timber came to light from Ruhia High School under Nogon block in Odisha's Jagatsinghpur district on Sunday. According to former students, the headmistress allegedly sold the materials at a low price without an auction. The former students also alleged irregularities in the school's midday meal program and approached the district education officer DEO demanding an inquiry and appropriate action. According to sources, the proposed sale of old asbestos sheets and timber was allegedly being carried out without following the auction process. Former students claimed that the materials were being sold at a lower price and urged the authorities to investigate the matter.
आम रोहिया हाईस्कल हेडमास्टर श्रीमती संजुक्ता महांती बेआईन भाव में स्कूल आजबेस्ट घर भांगी आजबेस्ट और काठगड़ा सब बिक्री कर से बिक्री करने अवस्था आम धरी ए बाबद धरिकी आम बीओ एवं डीओ एवं कलेक्टर सार बाबद जनईलु जन सारापर से तदंत करने दुई थर जाते आम तदंत बेले उपस्थित थिलु.
No response could be obtained from the headmistress concerned at the time of reporting. DEO recommends action after inquiry. Jagatsinghpur District Education Officer Keshav Mehar said that an inquiry was conducted upon receiving the complaints.
अभियोग तो बेसिकली एबे जोटा आसीथिला आजबेस्टस थिला जोटा कि से हमर अभियोग आसीथिला कारी किछि न जणे कि से निजे ताकू नै कि बिक्री कर दोछंती बोली कि ए अभियोगटा आसीथिला ता ऊपर मु तदंत करिछि तदंत करके रिपोर्ट भी आसीछि आ रिपोर्ट मु सबमिट भी करिछि.